Hi and welcome to the second Pikasso vlog of 2021. In today's video we are talking about our knockdown fittings, namely the steel cam and blue dowel. Before we start, let's talk about our new product that we launched at the beginning of this month. We'd like to introduce to you the mini wardrobe. This product will be an absolute lifesaver if you are cramped for space or simply need more hanging and packing space for your clothes. So if you are interested, go check it out on our website as we offer it in 3 amazing colors, namely white, lunar ash and beautiful aged stone. For more information, feel free to check out the links in the descriptions down below. Right, so now that that's out of the way, let's talk about our hardware. I will be focusing on the steel cam and blue dowel as it is used in all of our products at this stage. This system has been around for a while now, is easy to use and very practical for the DIY furniture scene. So without further ado, let's have a closer look at the steel cam and blue dowel. Alright, before we actually start showing you guys how that works with the melamine, I first want to show you guys to give you a perspective of how it works without using it in the wood. So what I've got here is the blue dowel that goes straight into the cam, the steel cam, and as I turn it, you'll see that it locks in place. But not only, once you turn this in, it pulls this shaft of the blue dowel and expand the end of this tip over here to grip more into that hole, giving you much more strength. And let's just unscrew this like that. Let's put it into the wood to give you guys a better feel for what this system is all about. Okay, let's quickly see how this system works with a close-up, shall we? So there you put it in the respective holes. Remember that might be wooden dowels placed in between them just for extra strength. And then what we have here is the arrow of the cam facing the blue dowel hole so that it goes in that. Got this one over there, clicks in, arrows facing according to the blue dowel holes. And then let's bring this bad boy closer like that. Okay, now this slides in like that, still very loose as you can see, and now we are going to tighten this cam like that. You can actually hear it pull once it is fully connected. Pulling it. Oops, come on. Pulling it. Now, this, let's put this angle up there. You can see it is now fitted and secure. There you have it. Now that you have a better understanding of how this system works, you will be able to build our products with more confidence. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, take care, until next time, cheers.